It's one of those deja vu things, or a dream is trying to tell me something, but will I ever stop thinking about it? I don't know, I doubt it. Subterranean by design, I wonder what I would find if I met you. Let my eyes caress you until I meet the thought of Mrs. Princess, who often wonder what makes her work. I guess I'll leave that question to the experts, assuming that there are some out there, they're probably alone, solitaire. I can remember